Hey guys, what is up? This is Concube and today we are going to solve 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube with only one algorithm. Yes, you heard it right. It will be only required one algorithm. Okay, so we are going to solve this 2 by 2 with one algorithm and everything will be going to be intuitive. You don't have to use any algorithm and this is the easiest method to solve a 2 by 2. Anyone can understand it very easily. So let's begin our tutorial. Okay, so first of all, what should I do? I should scramble it, and this algorithm is same which you used to do in 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. You know this algorithm already. This is this algorithm. Okay, so this is the algorithm and I will do slowly also later in the tutorial itself. So what you have to do first, you have to make, let me scramble it nicely. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to make this whole layer. Okay, so you have to make white here and this whole layer also solved. Here it should be white and here all this should be solved. Okay, so first we have to make the white layer basically. So for this, what you have to do, you can start with any of the white pieces which you are seeing here. There are 4 white pieces, so you can start off with any of the pieces since there is no center. So you can start off with any of the pieces. So I am starting with this one. So this will be on downside. Okay, so we have because we have to make white over here. So I am starting with this pieces, or you can start with anyone. It doesn't matter. So I starting with this pieces. So you can see this piece. So you can see that it has green and orange color with it. Okay. So what you have to do now, you have to find out white piece which has either green or either white with it, with some other color. Okay, so this piece does not have, let's see other piece. Okay, so I find out this, it has green. Okay, green and red. So we need to find only one. So we found for green. Okay, it's okay. So what we can do, we can just rotate it. Okay, this needs to come here, right? This needs to come here. What you can do now, you have to just see, either you can just put it back here like this, or what you can do, you can just hold it like this, like it has to come downstairs and you have to perform one algorithm. It's not an algorithm, it is basically just a simple move. You have to perform it again and again, again and again until it come. Basically it requires maximum 4 times. Okay, in 4 times you will get, it is the maximum. So what you have to do, see, this part has to go here, so you have to hold like this, whichever part you have to enter here, and you will perform this algorithm. Not algorithm, basically algorithm is only this is just a basic move, this. Okay, you have to perform this again and again until you get your piece on the right direction. Okay, so as you can see, I got my piece in the right direction. It is now in the correct spot. Now you can do same thing with the other. I find out red here, and here it is red. So red should come here. So what you can do? I see, I took the red, I took the piece here. It should come downstairs. So now you have to again apply the same thing. You have to do it again and again. Oh, so see, it comes in one move only, so you don't have to do anything. So it came in one move, and it may also came in 4 move also. 4 moves is the maximum move. Okay, so now this is the last piece. For this, what you have to do, this is in the bottom layer. So what you have to do first, you have to put it in the upper layer first. So now this is in the upper layer. This has to go this side because this is the only unsolved piece we are left, and we have to again do the same algorithm or basic move again and again. See, it is again here. Okay, so now our first layer is complete. So now in the second part, what we are going to do, we are going to solve the corner pieces correctly. Like corner pieces should be correct. I'll tell you which is the correct piece, corner piece. So this is your correct piece. Since you can see here, orange is here, blue is here, and yellow is upstairs. Okay, so yellow you don't have to see. You basically have to see these two because we are making the yellow layer only. Okay, so this is the correct center, and this is not the correct, and this is not the correct. And make sure that you don't get two correct center, otherwise it won't work. If you get two correct center, that choose the two correct corners, choose the corner which is only one. You can see if you got this two correct and these two are incorrect, so what you can do, you can just rotate the cube to get the incorrect one to correct one, and this way you will get three incorrect. So basically you need to have one correct corner or all the four correct corners. Okay, if you don't get one incorrect corner, you have to make it. If you find out two incorrect corner, then you have to make it to one by rotating the cube. So I find out that this is the correct piece. Okay, red here, blue here, and yellow upstairs. So now okay, so this is also the correct piece. I got the case which I was telling you. Okay, so orange here, blue here, yellow you don't have to see actually. So these two are correct piece, but these two are not the correct piece. Okay, as you can see here, there is red, but here is orange. Here it is correct, but it is not considered as a correct piece. So in this case, what you have to do, you can just rotate a cube and see from the incorrect one you can make one correct. Like I made this one correct. From this, these three become the incorrect one. So now you have to hold it from the correct side, which is this one. Okay, so you have to hold it like this, and you have to perform this. You have to perform the algorithm which I told you to fix the corners. And it was like up this. You have to make it this up here, this up here, this down here, this down. Okay, then rotate it again so that it come back to its natural position, and check it out whether it is solved or not. So in this case it is solved, and you can see all the parts, all the corners are solved. So now what you have to do, see, we just skipped one part from this. We already got the last formula part. We have to just apply this only, but you can easily apply this formula now. First you have to make two solved corners. After fixing the centers, you have fixed the centers, but by the God grace we already got this two corners solved. But if many times it does not get come solved, so what you have to do, first make these two solved, and then when these two are solved, that this position has come, then you have to apply this algorithm by holding it from this side. Okay, and similarly from this side, and it is solved. So now we will see on some another case also. Okay, let me just scramble it along. Okay, so this is the case. Everything is solved, and you can see that we have not correct edges. So first we have to make the correct edges first, so we will do it again. So this one is correct and this one is correct, but okay, so let's two are correct, so we will take one from the incorrect one. Okay, so you can rotate it this side. So we take this incorrect one and make it the correct one, and you can just make this move to see. Okay, so now we have all the correct pieces. Okay, so this is the case, you don't get the solved piece here. So now in this case, what you have to do, you can hold the cube from any side. But if you got this case, like this is facing this word and these are here. Okay, you can see the case. So you can hold it from this side also, otherwise you can hold from any side, it won't matter, it will be solved. And same algorithm, RU2 RD UR RU UR RD. Okay, and same from the second side, this side also. Okay, RU U2, it will be just opposite of the other which you did. Okay, so you have to make sure, you have to, whenever you are doing this algorithm, you have to do it two times, from this side also and this side also, because by this you won't mess up your edge, since they are in the right place. If you do it from one side only, it will mess up your edge, and it can mess up your cube. Okay, so you have to do it maximum 4 times, and you will get one solved piece here. Okay, so I am doing it again. Okay, so you can see I did it 2 times and I got this solved one here. Okay, as you can see. So now what you can do, you can just hold your solved one this side, and you can perform the algorithm, same algorithm from here. either 2 or 4 times. Wait, sorry, I think I messed up. Okay, it's no issue, we can do it again. uh, so here we are, I just did it again. Okay, so this was the case. So what you have to do in this case, when you got these two solved, what you have to do, you have to just hold it like this side. Either they can come, yellow piece can come here and here, or they can come here. Okay, so in both the cases you have to hold it like this, and you have to perform this algorithm maximum 4 times, and your cube will get solved. So let's do it. RU2 RDUR RU. Okay, similarly from here, and it is solved. So we were lucky that it got solved in one time only. Otherwise it can maximum take 4 times. Okay. Okay, so guys, that was all for the today's video. See, this was the other case which I was telling. In this case also you have to do nothing. You have to just hold it from this side and perform the same algorithm. See, in this part I have to do it 2 times to get the cube solved. So I hope you guys find it very easy and helpful to solve a 2x2 Rubik's cube. I will be covering the advanced method also, so that you can solve it under 5 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, 5 seconds. You can easily solve it under 5 seconds if you can use this method. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you really like this video and find this helpful and easy. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.